Can an open source project turn into a real-world partnership? That's what happened with CookUnity. They found our Next.js Enterprise open source project and decided that something we could build on together. CookUnity is a chef-to-you meal delivery platform which delivers restaurant-quality food right to your doorstep. They know that every B2C SaaS company needs to have a great user experience and that this user experience is critical for their conversion rates. When they first reached out to us, their funnel was using a legacy React with Redux stack, the complexity of which grew over time. After spending some time together, going through our open source projects and learning about their struggles, we decided to start building an MVP of the funnel simultaneously. So the existing team and the business was still working on the existing funnel to keep the business running, while we were rebuilding the funnel with a completely new architecture as an MVP. We rebuilt the funnel using Next.js 15 with App Router and TypeScript. We streamlined the state management to make it lighter, faster, and smoother for development. Then we worked on integrations. There are a couple of systems we had to integrate with. First of all, we integrated with Stripe for payment processing. Then with GA4 and Segment for advanced analytics and tracking, so every single click could be sent to the data layer and tracked. Then we moved on to A/B testing, which was a crucial part of the funnel, which enabled the product team to set experiments not only on the funnel as a whole, so for example, splitting traffic between version A of the funnel and version B, but actually experiment with singular steps of the funnel as well as components within these steps. Then we focused on the code itself. So we increased the text coverage. We added much more advanced observability, so we covered a lot more variables to be observed, and we also vastly improved error handling. The results? Improvements all across core web vitals, with LCP being almost 4 times faster. With the new funnel, the development team is ready for a rapid market expansion. As for stability, with improved error handling and observability, as well as better test coverage, we are able to release much more confidently. Together, we built a more reliable solution, one that's easier to work with and build for the long term.